NFL fans, easy way to make your own DIY fleece scarf. Get some material, join fabrics, Hobby Lobby, etc. Cut the length and width of both sides of the pattern. Fold the material over. Cut in half. You're going to take the front side of the pattern first, which will be the fatter side. Draw and cut out the pattern. Then you're going to take your slimmer side, which is the back part of the pattern. Repeat. Make sure you are precisely tracing and precisely cutting out the fabric so that the ends of the fabric where the point is match up exactly. You're going to take both sides, wrong side facing each other, and crisscross the middle like I just did. When you sew, they will match each other like so. Now you fold the tie over, either sew with the sewing machine or sew by hand to the points before the tip, right there where my finger's in. Turn the fabric right side out. Take some stitch witchery and mend the bottom triangle together. Do that for the other side also. And voila, the stitch witchery works excellent. No furring, no coming apart. Then you want to iron the whole tie to make it flat because this is fleece. You want to make it as flat as possible. If you have your own label, put that on there, and you're finished.